Hello guys, I need to talk to y'all. I need to talk to y'all because we're having a problem now. What's your name? Lexi Setgood. Yeah. Hi live. Okay. What's up guys? So now, let me give y'all the rundown before I go off, right? All the time, clients leave things in my shop. It happens. It's a mistake. You understand? But if something that means something so much to you, I think that you would go out your way to get whatever you need to get, right? Okay. So, when I know Alexis Setgood, the steer bad one from Brooklyn, the one I just had a party. So now, yeah, the one where I look like a man, where I always have the look of cheap blonde wig or whatever. So anyways, and don't mind my attire, my dirty hands. As you can see, I'm still at work. So I used to makeup all over me, everything, right? Anyways, so I did her makeup for her party. Shorty calls me probably like a day, 2 days after, like, Kay, did you see a hat? And it has headphones in it. I'm like, I'll go look, because at the time I was working, I said I'll go look. So I went and looked at the side of the chair and saw that I saw a hat, and I felt that there were headphones in there. She was like, oh, I left my Beat headphones. I was like, okay. I didn't even bother looking in them. I'm just like, okay, I'll put it down for you. So whenever you come and get it. No problem. So anyways, now I want to see the story, like a story. But anyways, when she called me, I was like, just let me know when you want to come get it. This is like 2 weeks later. Her stuff is still there, and the way how she was calling me, like she was calling me on some almost like every 3 days, like, okay, I'm coming for my headphones, Kay, I'm coming, and the shorty never came. Oh, I'm gonna make my best friend pick it up, whatever. I'm like, okay, whatever. Like, I'm not beefing because I'm here, you understand? Like, whatever. 3 weeks no pass. I'm calling her to the point, like, are you coming for your stuff? Because you kind of make it a big deal about it, like you want your stuff. All right, no. She said, oh, I'm coming. Never came. Never had nobody to come, whatever. Now, she calls me when I was in Florida. While I'm in Florida now, she's like, oh, what day can I come? I said, well, I'm not there. So you can probably come either on a Saturday or a Tuesday when somebody else is going to be there. But you got to let me know when you're coming, because we're all by appointment only. So it's not like when one of those hairdressers that just sit down and wait for clients. So she said, okay. I was like, all right. Tuesday now, I see a call come in. If I don't have your number saved, more than likely I'm not going to answer. And that's real stuff. And that's when I came back the Monday. I had the flu. Make it worse, I was sick. I was not trying to answer the phone for nobody. Okay, now. So I seen a call come in. It said like 15 calls. I said, who the hell could be calling me so much? You understand? Long story short, it was Lexi calling my phone talking about, okay, I drove all the way from Brooklyn to come and get the headphones and you're not answering the phone. But the proper instruction I gave her was to call me before you come. to make an entire long story short, her boyfriend came with her, accused my boss of the shop that I work in of her thieving his headphones, which she had nothing to do with. I messaged him, cursed him out or whatever. Like, at the end of the day, you can't do that. You understand? I did you a favor by holding your headphones so long, because now this is going on 1 month. From the time I parted till now makes 1 month. Anyways, he decided to go take it upon himself now to write somebody and say that K thieved his headphones. Not really. Never in my life have I ever been called a thief. And if I was going to thief anything, I wasn't going to thief headphones. Okay, let's be clear. 100% clear. I can buy 10 of your headphones. So me thinks that, like, you know, like, this must be some real good headphones or whatever. I want all y'all on my live to be a witness to this shit. Okay? So, because now at this point I'm just annoyed. Like, my patience is low. I'm over it. I end up, because I had the flu, I was out for the week. I came in when my boo Sharice had her party Tuesday. So I decided to open the hat to see the headphones live. Let me show y'all something, because I know I'm not bugging out. The man said me is a thief, right? I want to see this. Hold on, then. I'm gonna flip the camera, because y'all gotta see this, right? Now you tell me. Hold on, let me focus this camera. Y'all tell me now. What the fuck is this? What is this? What is this? Tape up, bust up headphones. Where the man say my teeth. Hold on there. Lexus set good and ups on the god. Y'all gotta be kidding me. Come on, son. Do better. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. This time. What? This. Look here. You gotta be kidding me. Bro. Nah. Nah, this is a joke, right? Watch out. Bust soap. Watch out. I gotta wash my hands after this, okay? Look at this. Nah, my camera is out of focus. Hold on. Y'all see this? What the man said me is a thief. What the man did I go add over? You gotta be kidding. There's somebody I'm being pranked, right? I'm being pranked, right? Duct tape. Exactly. Watch out. Beats don't even make these no more. Beats is wireless. And this is what you was going hard over? Come on, B. Come on. Come on. Don't play these games with me, bro. Don't play these games with me. Don't play them games. You understand? Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. Let me just help you. Let me just help you, Lexia and Upton. Because I don't give a fuck. These are the headphones. What the man said, my teeth. Look. It look the same. It looks the same way. It look the same. Upton. Batman Upton. And Lexi said good. Let me tell you something now. Me? Tita. Look here. Me not have time to eat. That's where that blood clot. Bet you say not even crack it. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Don't you ever pass your place. Shorty, I was more than nice to you and your bum ass boyfriend. More than nice. More than nice. And I'm over it. I don't have no more patience for none of y'all. I'm done. I'm absolutely done. Like, what am I holding on to garbage for? Oh, for a month. And then your man tried to get crazy with me. You called me a while ago trying to get crazy with me. It don't work like that, bro. So now, go fetch the headphones. Go and get it. And let me know how it works out. Please, let me know. Video it too. I can't be bothered. Alexis said good. You stay bad. Don't put Set Good next to your name. Uptown to God. Take your little cheap ass. Batman. Cheap ass. Stone Love headphones. Not even Stone Love headphones, that Moscato. Let's be real. Beats by... Talking about Beats. Those are not Beats. Those are not Beats. Those are not Beats. I'm tired of y'all. I am so tired of it. I can't be bothered. I can't. So, you can get your headphones now. It's outside. I can guarantee you, if you come on a Tuesday or whatever day you decide to come, it'll still be there. I guarantee you. Nobody's not taking it up. Anyways, I have to get back to work, guys. Good night. Big up the headphones. I'm going to show y'all pictures, too. I have the receipts for y'all. Goodbye.